Garden tractor project. Got the Kohler CV675 head off. I thought that there might be a head gasket problem, but now I think the head was just warped. This was the side that was making a lot of noise. It definitely had a bad exhaust gasket. The cylinder looks good. The gasket doesn't look bad, but this was the side that was all clogged with a mouse nest. So I think this overheated and it warped the head. And I got a new head gasket anyway, so I might as well put that in, a new gasket set. I think that's all I got to do though. And the valves even look pretty good. Yeah, they're tight in there. Valves are looking good.